day today on our way to school. As you can see, Enos is the gas station here. And price of gas, Japan. Whatever that means. So you can see I'm dressed kind of casual for this class. I try to dress up, but when it's 100 degrees out, it's just so hot, and I didn't bring a lot of appropriate clothes with me a couple years ago, and nothing in Japan fits me. Even though I've dropped a few pounds, I'm still pretty built, so it's tough for like blouses and average stuff to fit me in the United States, but here, no way. People are so skinny here. It's like freaky how skinny they are. It's amazing, but yeah, I feel like a giant moose here. Okay, let's go in for our class. And there we are. Learn English with me. Hi. Arigato. So, there was another fabulous class today. I love my students. They're so much fun. And now I'm on my way home. It's time to exercise, and then I'll have some more work to do. Right now this is the beautiful park near my house, and I have to walk through this every day. It's really pretty in the springtime. All the cherry blossoms come out here. And now it's time for the tutelage of Pai Mei. Pretty, right? Okay, so it's time for the second smoothie of the day. Let's see what we got in our fridge. Da, 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 da. Look at all the bananas. Okay, so let's grab a couple bananas. These are those, somebody gave me a gift. These, I wanted to show these beautiful grapes from Fukuoka, how delicious they are. They're just like, so yummy, so pretty. Okay, so let's grab a couple bananas. times. Okay. Cup of water. Cup of soy milk. Some vanilla. I almost forgot the spinach. No way. Leave the spinach. And I'm going to add just a touch. Not even. Just a touch of sugar. Let's blend it up. I just have a Panasonic blender. A lot of people use the Vitamix, and but it's just, and that's a great blender, but it's really big and it's very expensive, and I am in Japan, land of technology, and I figured if I can't get like a good blender here, then I'm in trouble. But I got this little Panasonic blender and I love it. It chops up everything, and it chops up everything. It chops up everything well, and it mixes everything well, and does the job. It's a lot smaller too, and about a quarter of the price. So, taste test. And it's good. It's weird. Sometimes it tastes different. This time it tastes a lot more spinachy. Actually, I don't even really think it's spinach. I think it's something between spinach and not as tough as kale, but it's stronger than spinach. But it's not like a lettuce. I don't know what you call it here, but it's good anyway. Moving on. So then, I did my yoga, we went to the store, I got groped, and that was it. So thanks for hanging with me on another typical day here in Tokyo, Japan. And in the meantime, go green, stay strong, stay fit.